Picture Windows Glendale AZ is a popular choice for homeowners looking to enhance their views and bring more natural light into their homes. Our expert team specializes in custom window designs in Glendale, ensuring that each installation meets the unique needs and aesthetic preferences of our clients. Energy-efficient windows in Glendale, Arizona are essential for reducing energy costs and improving home comfort. Our window replacement services in Glendale AZ offer a wide range of energy-efficient options to help you save on utility bills while maintaining a comfortable indoor environment. Residential window solutions in Glendale are tailored to meet the specific needs of homeowners. Whether you're looking for window replacement services in Glendale AZ or new installations, our team provides comprehensive services to enhance your home's appearance and functionality. Commercial window services in Glendale, Arizona cater to businesses looking to improve their building's energy efficiency and aesthetic appeal. Our team offers window frame upgrades in Glendale, Arizona, and a variety of window glass options in Glendale AZ to suit any commercial property. Window maintenance in Glendale, Arizona is crucial for prolonging the life of your Picture Windows Glendale and ensuring they function properly. Our services include window cleaning services in Glendale, Arizona, and window sealing services in Glendale to keep your windows in top condition. Window style consultation in Glendale helps homeowners choose the best designs for their homes. Our experts provide window measurement services in Glendale AZ to ensure a perfect fit and offer guidance on the latest window design trends in Glendale AZ. Window hardware installation in Glendale, Arizona is an important aspect of ensuring your windows operate smoothly and securely. Our team provides professional installation services to enhance the functionality and security of your windows. Window tinting options in Glendale AZ are available for those looking to reduce glare and improve privacy. Our window tinting services also offer UV protection in Glendale AZ, helping to protect your home's interior from harmful sun rays. Window screen installation in Glendale AZ is a practical solution for keeping insects out while allowing fresh air in. Our durable screens are custom fitted to your windows, providing a seamless and effective barrier. Window insulation solutions in Glendale are designed to improve your home's energy efficiency. Our team offers window glazing services in Glendale, Arizona to enhance insulation and reduce energy loss. Window design trends in Glendale AZ are constantly evolving, and our team stays up to date with the latest styles and innovations. We offer a wide range of options to suit any home or business, ensuring your windows are both stylish and functional. Window safety features in Glendale, Arizona are essential for protecting your home and family. Our services include window noise reduction in Glendale and window UV protection in Glendale AZ to enhance safety and comfort. Window warranty options in Glendale, Arizona provide peace of mind for homeowners investing in new windows. Our comprehensive warranties cover a range of services, ensuring your investment is protected for years to come. Double-pane windows in Glendale are a popular choice for their energy efficiency and noise reduction capabilities. Our Picture Windows Glendale team offers expert installation and maintenance services to ensure your double-pane windows perform optimally.